tripped. She dropped chocolate pudding into a bowl of poop. This is an emergency broadcast being transmitted through your nearest radio or display via our emergency backup city generator. We want to reassure you that power will be restored shortly, but we kindly request your cooperation to ensure public safety during this temporary technical issue. We appreciate your patience, as our technicians work diligently to resolve the problem. During this time, we kindly ask you to maintain a quiet and low-profile presence. Please refrain from lighting candles or using any form of light source, including displays and battery-powered lamps. It is essential to remain as inconspicuous as possible. In the event that someone attempts to enter your residence, we advise against calling local authorities, as they may not be available at the moment. Instead, find a secure, dark room, and stay hidden. Your safety is paramount. To minimize the risk of potential theft during this situation, please remain quiet, avoid using lights, and maintain silence. Your cooperation is greatly appreciated, as we work to swiftly restore normalcy.
Uy, panas.